young boys, I don't tire. My people, if you see where people they chop raw fowl, no be the one where they roast or they steamer, live, where they just cut the neck, make it die. Now the only thing where they do, see where young boys they chop am. Like say na, I can't they wonder, say wetin dey happen for here. They can't tell me say na instruction where the Baba give them. These ritual people, as they chop the thing, and so the Baba they carry pots on top their heads. I beg, I say make a bring your coffee now because I know be only me go dream bad dream. I beg my people for now when no know wetin dey happen right now for Nigeria. Le, because join me make we watch the video. Obara Jesus. Hey. Only for money. Only for money. Chineke me. Una see wetin I saw? Did you saw what I saw just now? Check these people very well. Check them well when they make this money. You know go pass clubbing. From one club to another club and carrying women up and down. You know they pass that one. They get any reasonable thing to do with that money. See, una way they do this, they make a tell una na cause, na spirit. Una no go even think where when that money come, na to squander the thing anyhow. By the time the money finish, una eye go clear. Wait till una don't use and do nothing. By now, no even they expect this kind of thing to dey go on with the kind of things where they happen everywhere. If una like, listen to me very well. All of you where they do Yahoo, spiritual things, money things. If una like, chop full life cow. Una name no go enter top 50 of the richest men in this world. Make I even use Africa. 50, una name no go enter. If una like, swallow the cow, swallow the bones, swallow everything. It no go enter. Una just they deceive una. Una still they deceive una self. Not only material things fool people head. Una do ever wonder say if I die, where they go? Una do ever worry about una soul? Money. See, many of you now una go they come outside they tell me say Madam Aproko, God always dey slow. God no always dey slow. See, it be like make I even use our physical selves here on earth. Imagine say you be papa, you be person pikin, or you be mama, you be person mama, you understand? Imagine say your pikin, 13 years old, your pikin they ask you for car. You go give am 13 years. You no go give am because you know say that car go destroy am. Now the same thing we dey put for God side. God know the thing where we need at a particular time. God no fit give you some kind of things right now because you know say he go destroy you. You never mature well for that thing. Now like that it dey be. Make una stop to the rush. I don't tire. Stop to the rush. Where una dey go? E get one where even see 17 years old boy. 17 years old boy. He dey drive. If una see this car, I'm not too familiar with car. You understand? I'm not too sabi car, but if una see this car, person even tell me say na billions. 17. When you suppose they your father house they read books. But people see my brothers because now matter even bring me here now. My brothers, why una they rush? I don't talk this thing before. Anything wey go cost my peace of mind, it's too expensive. I no fit afford them. Me. I no fit afford them. Forget am. No 2 ways. If God no fit bless me, make I remain poor than make I go dey do this thing. My people, make I tell una something. It better make you dey chop your garri, dey sleep in peace, than make you chop chicken where you no fit sleep. It dey very important oh. Many of una go dey look me like say, okay, this one always dey talk. I no always dey talk. I no just dey sit down here because I no get anything to do. I dey tell una serious matter. Because this thing now, they very serious. People wey fit chop live fowl. Tell me wetin these boys no fit do. Now to bring their mama head, they go bring am. Now to bring girlfriend, they go bring am. Some of these people say they go even they give una condition. Say, if you make money, don't see your family. They must not eat from this money. Why will you work and your family will suffer? Because the reason why we dey work now for our families. So anything wey go make you get money and you no fit help your mama, you wicked. If you accept that kind of thing, you be very wicked person. I dey tell you now. Now so one way happen. This girl they kill am straight. My people, I know if some girls say that una head no correct. iPhone 11, iPhone 11. Baby, I want iPhone 11. Now so they kill am. They even they do the video. They tell the girl say dead body or they talk to the girl. Say we after we chop shit finish. Now you want come enjoy iPhone 11. They kill am straight. Vanity upon vanity. Girls, make una dey careful. Especially una way una know they use una eye see Benz, see car, see money, see this one, see phones. iPhone lovers, make una dey very careful because these ones they come for una. After they chop this thing, money start they come out. They come for una. No look me because they not go even see me. Me, I dey mind my business. They do my small work. You understand? Time go reach, no rush. Your beans they fire. When it done, you go chop them in peace. No go rush, go they chop raw beans. You know they sweet. Wow. We still they pray. May God get mercy on us. May God get mercy on Nigeria. May God get mercy. Some people still they bow to Satan. Now only God go help us. And for now, we no judgment is real. Hellfire is real. Heaven is real. Now why I dey tell una every time say prayer dey important. Before una go outside, girls, girls, before you step out, pray. Before you eat, pray because you don't even know wetin they use cook that food. Everything now in this life now, I dey very spiritual. I dey very serious. Forget say I dey smile. Oh. Everything dey very. I no go talk past this one. If you like, listen. If you like, no listen. Oh, I'm back. Wahala. Now for your head, it could be and me. I go carry and come here, come tell the whole world. My people, now the matter where they happen now. All those angry boys where they look for money anyhow. Now the matter bring now. So I want to know what you not think for these people case. Because only me no fit take calm. Drop them for the comment section. Share this video. Make girls know wetin dey happen now so that they go there alert. Those ones wey like life. You understand? And don't forget subscribe if you never subscribe. Click on that notification bell so that you go dey notified anytime we drop all the videos. I dey here for you guys. Don't forget, I love you. See you later.